guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share a really quick, super easy tip all about hyaluronic acid. It is something that I get asked about all the time on my Instagram. So I was going to answer it and kind of do a post about it on my Instagram, but then I thought I'll do it on YouTube as well. It's just in regards to how to properly use hyaluronic acid, because if we don't kind of use it properly, it can kind of backfire and create dehydration in our skin, which, as you guys know, hyaluronic acid is supposed to provide that hydration and that smoothness to your skin. So we have to use it correctly, and I'm going to share with you a quick and easy tip to make sure that you get the most out of your hyaluronic acid product. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As always, subscribe to my channel below. Lots of fun things coming up, you guys, and also hit the bell notification as well. So if you are already subscribed, still hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video so you don't miss any. So let's get to it. Okay, first things first, what is hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid is actually found naturally occurring in our bodies, in our skin, and as we get older, our bodies start producing less and less, as with so many other things as we get older. But we really need hyaluronic acid in our skin to keep it plump and smooth and hydrated. When we are young, we are loaded with hyaluronic acid, and that is why when you look at like a baby or your child, their skin is so plump and healthy. I mean, it's obviously collagen and elasticity and everything, but hyaluronic acid goes hand in hand with that. It's super important. So it's very beneficial to add a hyaluronic acid serum to your skincare routine as you get older to really help to replenish that, needed hydration deep within your skin that you are not producing enough of as you get older. So hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times its weight in water. So it can really provide, that moisture and hydration to your skin. But we want to make sure that we are applying it properly so that it's not actually doing the opposite and dehydrating your skin, which if you are not using this product properly, it can actually dehydrate your skin, which we definitely don't want. And that's why sometimes you hear people say that they can't use a hyaluronic acid serum, it dries out their skin, or they live in too dry of a climate to use a hyaluronic acid serum. All those things can actually be true, but there's obviously other ways that you can use it to properly get the benefits. Anyone can use a hyaluronic acid serum. And honestly, like I said, as we get older and as we age, we should definitely be adding that ingredient to our skincare routine. So the reason you might hear people say that, they live in too dry of a climate, they can't use it, is because if you aren't using it properly, if you apply a hyaluronic acid serum to your skin on dry skin, or if you don't apply a proper moisturizer after it, the hyaluronic acid is actually on your skin, but it's actually taking the hydration from your skin. So hyaluronic acid is going to pull out moisture either from your skin if there's nothing else around it, or it's going to take that hydration from the environment. Say you do live in a humid climate, the humidity is going to get drawn into your skin through the hyaluronic acid, but also if you apply a moisturizer on top, it's taking that hydration from the moisturizer, or if you apply it on damp skin. All of those ways are going to pull the moisture from, the environment, other products, and that's going to take the hydration deep into your skin. So we definitely want to be using it properly because we want all of that hydration coming from the outside sources and not coming out of our skin. So as you guys know, when you layer skincare, it always has to go from thinnest to thickest, but then you also have to do like your growth factors, your vitamin C, those have to go on first. So hyaluronic acid actually usually comes right before your moisturizer. Like I said, it's kind of one of the last serums you want to apply, and it has to be right before your moisturizer. So a lot of people think, okay, how do I apply that correctly so it's not on dry skin? And this is my super easy tip that literally works so well, you guys. It has been something I've been doing now for a while, and my skin just the hydration and everything, I can just feel it. Like it just makes such a difference. And this is the combo that I have been obsessed with. The Skin Medica HA5. I have been using this again. I've loved this for years. This is one of the best hyaluronic acid serums, honestly, that I think has ever been made. There's 5 different types of hyaluronic acid in here. It's going to instantly hydrate, instantly plump, but then it also has time releasing hyaluronic acid to give you that hydration all day, all night. But then this also has hyaluronic acid in a form that actually is stimulating your own body to produce more hyaluronic acid. It's by far amazing. So as I'm going through my skincare routine, growth factors, vitamin C, you know, all the products that I'm using, I take my HA5, and what I do, because again, I'm not gonna apply it directly to dry skin, what I do is I take a pump of my HA5, and this is a thicker serum. There are some silicones in here, so that is why I want to apply this for sure after my other serums, because you have to, you know, allow everything to absorb in the proper order. So this is the thicker serum. So I take my HA5, and then I take the Truth Treatments Biomimetic Mist, which is an amazing product for your skin to begin with. There's so many amino acids and minerals in here that are so great for your skin. And the combination of these two is like, so good for your skin. And it's super easy. I take a spritz, like 3 spritzes, right on top of my HA5. I mix those together and dab those right into my skin. And I'm getting that hydration to my skin, that plump, that smoothness, and the HA5 is drawing in moisture from the mist you just used. And then I do top it off with a moisturizer as well. I take my, you know, whatever moisturizer I'm using for the day, and I apply it directly on top of that little combo right there. So my skin is getting all the necessary moisture, you know, from the mist, from the moisturizer that I apply on top, and my skin literally just sinks in that moisture and hydration. It is amazing, and I'm telling you guys, this combination is life. So just remember, when you are using your, you know, hyaluronic acid, whichever one you're using, make sure to apply it with a mist. It works so well with a facial mist. This one is just my absolute favorite. I love it because the benefits are just insane. And then make sure to top it off with a moisturizer, and then obviously SPF at the end of your routine. But that is gonna go a long way to help you get all the benefits of a hyaluronic acid product. Again, they're super, super beneficial. And as we get older, we definitely wanna be using that ingredient in our skincare routine. It's something that you can use in the morning, in the night. It is good for all skin types. Hyaluronic acid is amazing for all skin types, whether you're super sensitive, oily skin, dry skin. It's really necessary for all different skin types. Plus it plays well with lots of other ingredients. So it's just something that, you know, we can all benefit from. We just want to make sure that we're using it properly. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Let me know what your favorite hyaluronic acid product is as well. I do have a definite couple favorites, but this has been my combination of choice lately, and I am definitely enjoying it. But that is it, guys. Quick and easy little skincare tip today. I will list these products down below in the description box in case you want to look those up. But that's it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.